In today's video, I will teach you how to use the Puppet tool in Photoshop. Let's get started. First, open the image that you would like to edit in Photoshop. Now, in the menu bar, open the Select tab and select Subject. Once the subject is selected, make sure that every details are selected. You can select in the select areas using the Quick Selection tool. If there's a plus sign at the middle of the brush boundary, it means that you can add the selection once you click on certain areas. And when there's a minus sign at the middle of the brush boundary, it means that you can deselect once you click on certain areas. You can change the selection mode at the top panel, or you can simply hold down Shift while using the brush. If you have more than one subject on your image, you can simply choose the Object Selection tool and make sure to use the lasso mode for a more precise selection. If you can't find the Object Selection tool, simply right-click on the Quick Selection tool and select Object Selection tool. Once you're satisfied, you can now go ahead and hit Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy the subject. And in the menu bar, open the Select tab, Modify, and Expand. Here, you can input 3 to 5 pixels if your subject is small or if your image has low quality. Once you're done expanding, click on the Edit tab and select Content Aware Fill. Now, make a new layer by hitting Shift-Ctrl-N on your keyboard and press Ctrl-V to paste the subject on the new layer. Now, with the subject layer selected, open the Edit tab once again and select Puppet Warp. Here, you can pin down the points that you would like to stay, and you can also pin down the points that you would like to move. Just take note that you can only move one point at once. And once you're satisfied with how your image looks, you can now save it to your computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.